Let's make the burger that has been a massive hit with my family and friends. First, slice up about half of a large onion. I just used some leftover scraps from earlier, and you can cut them into literally whatever shapes you'd like. This recipe makes 2 burgers, so grab 2 buns, lay them face side up, and spread butter onto each one. Once that's done, collect them up. Heat your pan up to medium heat, and once it's hot, press those buns face down on the pan to toast them. Give them an occasional press and spin just to make sure they toast evenly. Once they're nice and golden like this, toast the other 2 if you haven't already. Next, you're going to grab your ground beef. Roll your beef into 2 large balls, like so. Place them onto your hot pan, then smash them down fairly thin. Here, I like to add some salt and pepper. You can also add some of those sliced onions on top and smash them down as well. Push the cooking patties to the side, add a little bit of butter in, and toss in the rest of your onions to cook aside the burgers. Keep mixing those onions around as everything cooks. While that cooks for a few minutes, gather up your toasted buns. Add your favorite condiments to each one. I added mayo and ketchup, but if you're feeling fancy, you can go in with some sriracha mayo or garlic aioli. Once those patties are a bit browned on the underside, give them a flip. Keep stirring those onions as they start to brown. When the onions are cooked and brown, you can now throw some cheese on top of your burgers. Throw a lid on top to help the cheese melt. At this point, you can turn off the heat and just wait about 30 seconds. By now, your house will be smelling amazing. To assemble, get those cheesy patties and fried onions onto the buns. Pop the top of the buns on and you have the most delicious and easy burger ever. Your friends will be begging you to make this year-round. Enjoy!